Hello and welcome to my review of the Samsung RT46K636 OSL fridge freezer. The delivery of this appliance was organised by Rihanna at AO and that went seamlessly. I had several text messages and a phone call on the morning of the delivery day giving me an approximate time that they were going to arrive. And the delivery guys themselves, especially Colin, super helpful, really friendly, nice chaps. They even helped me take off the dog gate so that they could manage to get the appliance in, but it was absolutely brilliant. The fridge freezer itself is absolutely gorgeous to look at. It's really sleek, the handles are lovely. It's quite a bit wider than a normal fridge freezer, but to look at it's absolutely beautiful. I'll just show you a close-up of the display panel. This is the digital panel, which is so easy to use. As you can see, there is a fridge power cool, freezer power freeze, and a freezer convert. It's really simple to use. I'll show you. To select your temperature, you just press here. So easy, and the same for the fridge. Now what I especially like about this is that you can put it on a power freeze and a power cool. This was really helpful because when the fridge freezer was delivered, obviously you have to leave it to stand for 4 hours. So by the time I was putting things back into the freezer, they were starting to defrost slightly. All you have to do is press and hold it and it will run at maximum speed for several hours, and then it will just revert to the temperature that you wanted in the first place. So it's really helpful, and I should imagine when I go and do my shopping in the future, on the times that I bring stuff for the freezer, I will just press the power freeze and away it goes. Fantastic. I'll show you inside. This is my favourite part of the fridge freezer, is the fridge itself. It has a fantastic amount of storage. It's really well thought out. It has a huge drawer at the bottom there for all your fresh foods. Loads of storage in the doors. It's really well lit up. And an alarm sounds if it's open for too long. Really well thought out. Bags of storage, and it goes quite far way back. This top drawer slides out. Super sleek and easy. Loads of space. There we are. Loads of different storage sections in the door as well, which is really helpful. And the freezer. This was my only slight disappointment, is the size of the freezer. Although, to be entirely fair to Samsung, I previously had a rather large freezer that had 4 drawers. So to be fair, I've actually managed to fit quite a large amount of stuff in there. As you can see, it's even got storage in the doors, which is really good. Really well lit up. And also an alarm sounds if you leave it open for too long. There you go, there's the alarm. As you can see, that shelf is a little bit flimsy. But in fairness, I think really this fridge freezer is designed for somebody that lives more of a fresh food lifestyle. So really, I'm hoping that in time, it will make me live a fresh food lifestyle. If you can just see at the top there, there is a movable ice maker, which has 2 ice trays in it. Fill them up, let it freeze, and then you just twist the handle and the ice collects in the bucket at the bottom and you just pull the drawer out. That's a lovely function, but at the moment I just simply don't have the room. But as you can see, it's quite deep, and like I say, it is wider than your normal fridge freezer. There the alarm goes again. So I'll just show you the front again. Really nice size, lovely design. The handles are gorgeous. It's really lovely. To be honest, I really couldn't be more pleased with this appliance. It's fabulous, and I would just like to thank the lovely people at AO.com for allowing me to review it. I hope you found this review helpful, and thank you very much. Bye bye.